Using this small strip, I'll show you the sew-on, sew-off method, and then in the second step, I'll demonstrate turning the corner. So you would start your carpet just as we discussed in the earlier. Get your needle bar up, crowd it into the folder, forward into under the feed roller, and start it. Now with your sew-off, you would just continue on, and then as I said, when your feed roller comes off the carpet, pull your carpet away. So then what you need to do is trim the tab off pretty close to flush with that edge of the carpet. Again, raise your needle bar up, leave your feed roller down, push your carpet firmly into the folder, and start your binding again. With this type of corner, which is a very strong corner, you could leave about that much tag on the end, and then on the back side of your carpet, and I put a few extra stitches right in the corner, you would simply fold it, tucking it under and folding, and take your hot glue gun and gluing that corner down, and you have a nice, strong, tight corner. Rounding your corner, using this square here, what I do is I'll nip off a little bit of the corner here, because if you try to sew into a corner like this, a square corner, there's not much for your stitching to hang on to there. A lot of your back. Like I said, I'll cut a little bit off the corner. That gives me a little more material to sew into there. Again, raising your needle up, carpeting, feed roller down, carpeting against the folder, forward against the feed roller wheel, getting it started, then guiding it. Sew up to about that point, or where you just start entering your corner. Raise your feed roller and put quite a few stitches, keeping your binding under the needle. Once you've rounded your corner and you're square to the folder again, drop your feed roller and continue your stitching. You can see that you've rounded the corner, you've put a lot of stitches in the corner, and you've got a nice, tight, firm corner.
Additional accessories are a carpet guide for the 155, which just bolts on to the bottom plate. You remove the existing plate and it screws right on. There's also a carpet guide for the 126. It comes with mounting hardware, it bolts on differently than the 155. There's also an available speed control for the 126, which you can Velcro onto the machine or leave it standalone.